Hi Vishakha,
Hello, Pankaj. Wonderful
welcome.
connecting to you.
Same here, and welcome to this episode of Monk on the Go.
My pleasure.
Thank you. So Vishakha, you run a restaurant in Spiti, Himachal Pradesh,
Yes.
without a formal tourism background. How did this Mumbai Chimulgi reach all the way this rough terrain?
So, Pankaj, it's been a very interesting journey. I am born and brought up in Mumbai and always fond of the mountains, always fond of traveling. But, when we are in the city, uh, we have so much around us and so much over us that it's very difficult to understand what your core interests are. It takes a lot of understanding. So my love for the mountains was understood by me when I visited Ladakh for the first time, which is around 7 years back. I was doing my LLB studies at that time from Rizvi Law College in Mumbai,
Hmm.
and this was my annual mountain trip, and we had gone to Ladakh. So we did a road trip,
Hmm.
and it just captivated me to another level. So after Ladakh was again our annual mountain trip to Spiti. So we are five
Okay.
friends, five girls, all very passionate about mountains.
Mhm.
The journey was rough. We flew from here to Manali, and then on the same day from Manali we took a vehicle to Kaza, which is the headquarters of Spiti.
Hmm.
And we were booked to stay in a hotel which is Spiti Sarai, about 7 kilometers from the main town of Kaza, and it's a standalone building. So I had no idea of what Spiti would do to me. Spiti is a very high altitude area. Kaza is 12,470 feet above sea level, which is
Hmm.
higher than Leh. So ideally, you should acclimatize by the time you reach and then rest and things like that. But then we landed, I felt sick. I felt sick to the extent that I thought I was going to die because there was no oxygen going in my brain. And I was hallucinating. I couldn't eat. I couldn't sleep. My ears were bleeding. My nose was bleeding.
God.
So I told my friends, where have you got me? This place doesn't have a railhead. It doesn't have an airport. It doesn't have phone connectivity. If I die, I will not be able to go home, see my family. So first day was bad. And Spiti being remote does not have very advanced medical facilities as well.
Right.
So first day I rested, I didn't get better. Second day I rested, I got worse. Third day somehow I told my friends, you guys continue with your itinerary, tum to aayo, but drop me to the market, to the travel agent's office. Somehow I managed to reach the travel agent's office and I told him, boss, मैं मर जाऊंगी यहाँ पे. जो पैसा लगे, please send me home. I can't stay here. So he in his very local accent said कि आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ है 2 दिन, आपको कुछ नहीं होगा. I said I know what my condition is because I would close my eyes and I was hallucinating that the mountains are growing bigger, eating me up. और खाना नहीं जा रहा है, पानी नहीं जा रहा है. So it completely took a toll. He gave me 2 bottles of Aquafina. He said आप ये खत्म करो. If you don't feel better, tomorrow I'll send you home.
Hmm.
I had those 2 bottles of Aquafina in half an hour. Trust me, I was 60% better.
Okay.
I was 60% better. I went around वो थोड़े से market area में looking
ये
for some
Aquafina का
food.
settle promotion हो गया.
Okay, sorry, mineral water. So I went around the market looking for some good food.
हाँ.
Restaurant कोई नहीं था उस time पे. So there was some dhabas. I went to a local dhaba. So that was very locally cooked meat and rice and dal. जो basically अपना city वाला taste का नहीं है.
Hmm.
But किया, manage किया. वो दिन निकला. That was the third day. I went back to the hotel. That night, I was about 60-70% better. I could
Okay.
eat some food. I walked out of the hotel. So this was a standalone building, valley. It was night time. Small path which I crossed, and there was a stone, and I sat. I
Okay.
sat and I looked up at the sky. Trust me, Pankaj, what I saw was unbelievable. I thought I was dead and I was seeing the galaxy. It was a no moon night of Spiti in August. I didn't know that is the time when you see the Milky Way. So people from all over the world come for photography at that time.
Oh.
So I saw the sky, and being in Mumbai, nahi milta hai wo opportunity to see that sky and that Milky Way. So I thought I was a fairy for some time. I was dead. मैं बैठी for 10 minutes. It was transcendental. Then I got myself back. I said, no, I am alive. And I went back to my room. I sat in my room. From the window, I looked at outside and I prayed. And that night, I really prayed, and I understood what the power of nature was, what the power of those mountains were, and what the power of Spiti Valley was. I could feel the vibrations, and I said, if these mountains want, I will live, or maybe I will die. This is my dying call, or this is my life-changing call. It's one of the two. I slept. Next day morning when I woke up, I was as fresh as I would have been in Mumbai. 2 दिन sightseeing किया. 5 days complete. We went back to Manali. Manali जाने के बाद suddenly there was a vacuum. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, you know, कि what is it that I'm missing? That silence of like the nothingness, the blankness, the mountains, the barren land. I came back to Mumbai, but for some time, nothing was seeping in. So again, from that place to the traffic, to the horn, to the noise, to the people, but कुछ seep नहीं हो रहा था. Every time I would close my eyes, I would imagine the mountains. वही दिखता था. I called a lot of friends saying, I think it's my calling. I need to go to the mountains again. For my first ever solo trip in October, I went to Spiti, to the same place, same hotel. It was end of the season. I was the only one in the entire hotel. It was like a 2-story building. Only one staying. I stayed there for 15 days. I explored Spiti very well. Pura local ki tarah, kisi se lift leke, tractor leke, because Spiti doesn't have local buses. There's no local transport. Yeah. There's no local transport. So, कुछ भी नहीं है. So, आप या पैदल चलो या आप लिफ्ट लो, या कोई ट्रैक्टर जा रही है उसमें चढ़ जाओ या स्कूल बस में चढ़ जाओ. Those are the only ways. So I stayed for 15 days. I came back, and then I have some friends who've been tour operators, people from the tourism industry, and I told them कि यार कुछ पहाड़ पे करना है, अभी बस हो गया है यहाँ सिटी में, नहीं हो रहा है. And I also kept calling my travel agent in Spiti. And I told him कि यार something I want to do in Spiti, something which is not a very big investment. And he said, शहरी सब लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं. They come, they say, but शहरी लोगों का यहाँ काम नहीं है. आप यहाँ नहीं रह पाएगा. तो क्या करेगा आप इधर? No, यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है. So I said, नहीं, but still, nobody could actually understand what I was feeling. So ऐसा करते करते, a lot of friends told me कि if you do something in Spiti, let us know. We are tired of our Bombay life and corporate job. You know, साथ में करेंगे कुछ. But जब time आया, actually किसी को हिम्मत नहीं हुआ. Everyone said नहीं, घूमने के लिए ठीक है. यहाँ बैठे बैठे पगार तो आ रहा है अकाउंट में, घर तो चल रहा है, वहाँ क्या करेंगे, बोर हो जाएंगे, ऐसा वैसा. So then कुछ opportunities आई. I saw some places, things didn't work out, but persistently for 1 year I kept calling a lot of local people also जिनसे मेरा दोस्ती हुआ था, and I was in Spiti for 15 days. And everyone said, अरे कुछ नहीं, आप लोग को शहरी लोगों को ऐसा होता है, हम लोग तो disconnected है, हम लोग पहाड़ी है, आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, इधर क्या करेगा, यहाँ कुछ काम नहीं है, this nahi, that nahi. Till one day finally I got this opportunity through Mr. Ramesh Lote, who is a travel agent in Spiti, running Spiti Holiday Adventure, which is one of the oldest travel agencies in Kazam. So he said, look, आपको अगर कुछ करना ही है, I have an idea of doing a bakery in Spiti, but I don't have time because I'm handling everything single-handed. I can give you space. We together can invest and put up machines. And because bakery could, according to him, be a year-round business.
Okay, good.
So he said, let's do a bakery. Bakery का पता किया, investment was 25 lakhs. None of us had that kind of money. I said, जो थोड़ा बहुत गहना वहना है वो भी बेच दिया तो maximum 2 लाख रुपया आएगा. He said, मैं इधर उधर जुगाड़ किया तो भी 2-3 लाख रुपया होगा. And investment was 25. We went to SBI Bank in Kaza, thinking कि local का loan मिल जाएगा. They said मिल जाएगा, sanction हो जाएगा. And आप apply कर दो, what is your project? So we applied कि bakery है ये वो, and we have space and we need to put these equipments और सब paper डाल दिया. So they sanctioned, but disbursal नहीं हुआ था. So every day we would discuss ऐसा bakery करेंगे, वैसा bakery करेंगे. Till one day this man said कि हम bakery नहीं कर सकते हैं आपके साथ. So my dreams were completely shattered, because for me every opportunity, every thing जो भी बात हो रही थी, I looked at it like an opportunity and it was just taking me a level higher कि अब मैं पहाड़ पे चली जाऊंगी, अब मैं पहाड़ पे चली जाऊंगी. Though meanwhile यहाँ पे मेरा legal studies complete हुआ था and I was a struggling lawyer. I started as an assistant with a criminal lawyer. But then वो काम ही बहुत अलग था. 2 o'clock he would tell me कि पुलिस स्टेशन चलो, उसको खाना खिलाने का है, उसके घर से खाना छोड़ने का है, अभी ये 1:30 बजे अरेस्ट हुआ है. So 6 महीने किया. Then I said कि नहीं, this is not what I want to do. Also for some time working under the deputy collector revenue department at Bandra East.
Okay.
Yeah, so we were doing a lot of work on human rights. We were doing a lot of work in land revenue.
Mm-hmm.
So I was pursuing that, और काम हो भी रहा था. But like I said, that happiness and that contentment and that satisfaction was not coming. कि मैं एक हूँ इस चीज के साथ, वो नहीं आ रहा था. So then coming back to the bakery story, so this guy said कि नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं करूँगा, because in Spiti there is local astrology which is done जैसे हम यहाँ पर करते हैं, वैसे वहाँ पे they say मोर लगाना, which is done on particular days when the stars are in a particular position. तो कोई भी नया काम शुरू करने से पहले a local goes to the head priest, the head monk of a particular monastery at a particular time and then asks मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. And then the Lamaji, he meditates and in his way of studying, he will guide you if this is ideal for you or you shouldn't be getting into this. So he was told that anything which involves big metals, machinery, वो काम मत करो. And for a bakery at that time, first thing we required in Spiti was a big generator.
Of course.
Because most of the time there is no electricity.
There is no electricity.
So then the generator and the big ovens, equipments. Then this guy said कि look, I have a place जो काजा market में है लेकिन थोड़ा सा अंदर है. That property belongs to the royal family of Spiti and he had taken it from the then queen. So if you really wish to do something, come and see the place and करना है तो कुछ कर लो. So I went, I saw the place. It was a small place, about 300 square feet का रहेगा अंदर, and उसके साथ एक 100 square feet और attached था, और कुछ नहीं था, and थोड़ा सा अंदर था. So they told me कि यहाँ पे पहले एक रामदेव बाबा का दुकान खोला था, नहीं चला. उससे पहले कैफे था, नहीं चला. कुछ भी नहीं चला, तो बंद कर दिया. और इधर अंदर है, कोई आता नहीं है. I said कोई बात नहीं, कोई नहीं आता है तो still we'll try. Open space है outside and parking hai. So two things that I felt as a traveler, मैं भी कहीं जाऊंगी. So these are the two things that we will mostly see कि यार view है, शांति है और view है और parking है. So we started with a small setup. पैसा नहीं था कुछ भी करने का उस टाइम पे. So out of that 25 lakhs which was sanctioned by SBI, we took 5 lakhs. And first thing we did is we put up a coffee machine, because I had realized जो foreigners आते हैं, most of them get their own coffee, because they say यहाँ इंडिया में जो Nescafe मिलता है, that is not real coffee. So they like the अपना coffee shops वाला coffees. So we put up a coffee machine, we put up a sandwich machine, and we started on a very small scale with 5 tables, including me, 6 of us working. And because I don't have a restaurant background, I had no idea how it works. So वो glamour बहुत दिखता है ना सिटी में कि कैफे है, रेस्टोरेंट है, पहाड़ों पे, oh people coming, foreigners coming, मजेदार है. But when you start working, you realize भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So I learned everything the very hard way. You have to be ready to clean the tables, do the dishes, washing लगे, आपका क्लीनिंग लगे, आपका काम का प्रिपरेशन लगे, चॉपिंग लगे, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू डू. So we started in June 2015 with 6 of us, 5 tables, no money. जो 5 लाख रुपया लिया था उसमें तो कॉफी मशीन आ गया, एक फ्रिज आ गया, ग्रिल मशीन आ गया, money was over. So we requested our landlady कि आपके पास कुछ extra chairs, tables वगैरह हैं, so please 1 साल के लिए हमको दे दो. We will we will use it and next year we'll return it back. So she said ठीक है. She had 5 tables and about 15-20 chairs. I called a friend of mine who is an architect in Pune. I told her पैसा नहीं है, this is the place, this is the picture, अब तू बता क्या करें इसको बनाने के लिए. And I said this is a place जहाँ पेंट नहीं मिलेगा, पॉलिश नहीं मिलेगा, सनमाइका नहीं मिलेगा, लेबर नहीं मिलेगा. She said do one thing, वो जो तुम्हारे prayer flag का 5 colors है which represent the 5 elements, वो लेके फर्नीचर पेंट कर दो. किले लिए, सब ठोका, यू नो, फर्नीचर को थोड़ा रिफर्बिश किया, पेंट मंगाया, ऑयल पेंट नीचे से, वो सब खुद पेंट किया, टेबल्स वाइट पेंट किया, वॉल्स के लिए थैंकफुली कोई मिल गया. एंड वी स्टार्टेड इन जून. सो जुलाई आई थोड़ा अभी तो रेस्टोरेंट स्टार्ट हो गया, पीपल आर कमिंग, नाउ आई कैन गो बैक होम एंड चिल. आई केम बैक टू मुंबई. I stayed here for 20 days. August, I went back. By the time I went back, I saw the real face of the restaurant. People were complaining. And because at that time, there were no restaurants in Kaza, we were the only ones. Kaam to aa raha tha from day one. Tourists were coming. And we opened at a very good time, which was June. Jab tourism just start hota hai sthiti mein.
Right.
But we were not efficient enough at that time for our service. And because there was no one sitting in the restaurant, obviously the team would do what they wanted to do.
Right.
So orders आ रहा था, लेकिन order गलत जा रहा था बाहर, कोई order जा ही नहीं रहा था, service नहीं जा रहा था. So the moment I started taking control, he said हमको क्या लौंडिया बताएगी हमको क्या करना है.
Oh.
हम वही करेंगे जो हमको करना है. So that time we had a very small menu, chow-mein, sandwiches, coffees, milkshakes, थोड़ा बहुत basic ही menu था, tea, coffee. So these guys would, we used to plan to open our breakfast services at 8. These guys would come at 9:30. 4 बजे क्रिकेट खेलने चले जाते थे. They would come at 7, अपना थोड़ा काम किया, खाना वाना खाया, 8:39 they would walk off. So I felt very stuck. I said, ये तो मतलब, it's not what I thought things would be. People watch Hindi movies and feel कि traveler का life ऐसा होता है, वैसा नहीं होता है. Of course, it is very, very beautiful, but it's very real. It's very grounded.
A lot of struggle behind it.
So I went to my local partner. I told him कि I cried. I said, मैं कहाँ फंस गई? I don't think I can do this. And this was something जो मैं करने के लिए इतनी desperate थी. And you know, the staff is insulting me सुबह से शाम तक. They don't listen to me. So he said, see, I have 18 years of restaurant experience, he told me. And he said, ऐसे ही होगा. So restaurant business, in 5 years, if you reach break even, तो बहुत आप समझना कि आप बहुत successful है. But मेरे लिए एक-एक दिन निकालना मुश्किल हो रहा था. Till this Udiya guy, one day in the evening, he was really sweet. He was a senior guy. He came and told me कि मैडम, आप अगर ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट चलाएगा ना तो शटर बंद हो जाएगा. आपके पास तो शुरू में इतना काम आ रहा है, बट आपको पता है आपके रेस्टोरेंट से तेल, चावल, चीनी तक चोरी होके दूसरा ढाबा में चला जाता है, आपको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता है. So he taught me from scratch कि मैडम ऑर्डर आता है ना तो आप पहले KOT बनाओ, which is a kitchen order token, and that's how things go forward. ऐसा जाता है, यहाँ आता है, ऐसा बिल बनता है, ऐसा सर्विस होता है. Next day morning I said कोई बात नहीं, you know, I will not tell my staff to do what they have to do, मैं खुद करूंगी. So morning I would get up, मैं टेबल्स खोलती थी, मैं टेबल्स पोंछती थी, मैं चाय कॉफी का अरेंजमेंट, तैयारी जो भी रेस्टोरेंट का होता है, आई यूज्ड टू डू खुद बिफोर स्टाफ वुड कम इन एट 8:30. टेबल क्लीन करना, टेबल सेट करना, रेस्टोरेंट क्लीन करना. दैट टाइम इट वाज अ स्मॉलर सेटअप, ऑफ कोर्स, तो हो भी जाता था. थोड़े थोड़े दिन में ना दैट स्टाफ स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कहीं एक आता है ना, इट्स अ ह्यूमन. सो देन दे स्टार्टेड सॉफ्टनिंग. तो हमने अक्टूबर से नवंबर एंड तक फर्स्ट सीजन चलाया. And by November, things had completely shaped up.
Oh,
But trust me, that end of the year gave me so much happiness and it gave me so much satisfaction. It gave me so much confidence कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ.
hmm.
Second year, we expanded from 5 tables to 8 tables. नया team आया. Third year, we expanded from 8 tables to around 12 tables. Right now, we are a 60-seater restaurant.
60.
We are a team, 60.
Wow.
We are a team of 25. Wonderful team. My boys are very, very good. I have a guest house on the first floor, Himalayan Cafe ke upar. We have 8 rooms right now, which is to be expanded. My landlady was very happy. She said that मैं hotel बनाऊंगी तो तुमको ही दूंगी, because I see the way you maintain the place. I see the way you keep the place clean. So she made that place. She gave it to me in 2016 August. Incomplete जगह दी थी मुझे, because somehow she met with an accident. काम पूरा नहीं हो पाया. So August she told me तुम्हें लेना है. I said now if you give me the place, season तो end हो रहा है, मैं आपको rent कैसे दूंगी? She said मैंने तुमसे rent मांगा क्या? Rent तो मुझे अगले साल देना, but मैं जगह तुमको ही दूंगी. But touchwood जगह जब से ली है, we still have some incomplete touches. हम सोचते हैं जिस दिन खाली होगा उस दिन करा लेंगे, but touchwood by the grace of God till today रूम खाली नहीं हुआ है. रूम होटल खाली नहीं हुआ है काम कराने के लिए. So
wow.
It's been a very, very big blessing, and I really feel that a lot of people have the kind of calling that I have had, and it is very, very important to be authentic. This is what I have learned from Spiti, कि आप जो नहीं हो ना वो आप मत बनो, because you will only waste time.
Right.
आज अगर मैं लॉ कर लेती, खींच भी लेती, सिटी में हो जाता है काम पे काम, थ्रू एंड थ्रू मैं खींच लेती, but that is not my authentic self. That is not me. When our guests, when they come, so many of them tell me that Vishaka, हमको यहाँ आके ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. For no reason, we are just feeling happy. We have tourists who come. They come in the morning for breakfast. उसके बाद वो बैठते हैं. So we have board games, we have books, evenings, we have live music. So they come and then they play some games. उसमें दोपहर हो जाती है. Then they have lunch. Then they say कि चल अभी कुछ करते हैं, book पढ़ते हैं, game खेलते हैं. And by the time it's 4 o'clock, and then they say अभी कहाँ घूमने जाएंगे, अभी कल जाएंगे. और 3 दिन ऐसे ही निकल जाते हैं. They go nowhere. They spend their entire day at the cafe. And 4th day, when it's time for them to leave, they tell me that this is what our ideal holiday was. You know, we felt very good at your cafe. We just felt very happy. We ate good food. We had a good time. We were sitting outside, looking at the mountains, listening to good music. So we had a fantastic holiday. So it is very important when you run a restaurant, to be hands-on. I still do dishwashing. I still do waiting. I still do chopping. I still work as a restaurant manager. Milkshakes, sometimes मैं खुद बनाती हूँ. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट की तैयारी, बेकिंग, आई लव इट, आई एंजॉय इट. मुझे कहीं ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मैं टेबल क्यों पोंछूं, मैं झाड़ू क्यों मारूं, क्यों नहीं. इट्स सो मच फन. इट गिव्स मी हैप्पीनेस. But I think this is what makes the difference, and this is what I have learned in my 5 years of restaurant business, that your food has to be clean, your service has to be good, your food quality has to be good. उसके अलावा आप कितना भी गिमिक कर लो, you know, that is add on. People will come for music, वो गाना सुनेंगे चले जाएंगे. They will not eat. They will come, order a coffee, sit and read for hours. They will go. उसमें business नहीं होगा.
The destination you chose to open the restaurant at is very niche, not very popular. It's very tough to reach. जाएंगे तो पता भी नहीं चलता कि वापस आएंगे कि नहीं. So how is the process of getting customers visiting the place? What marketing strategy do you have?
So Pankaj, right now marketing has not been a very big issue, because with rooms तो walk-in से ही हो जाता है. We have just 8 rooms, so इतना problem नहीं आता है. We do have tie-ups with a couple of travel agencies in Manali, also because Ramesh is a local guy in the travel agency, so a lot of work comes through him as well. And cafe ka to is never an issue. We have a lot of word of mouth for the cafe. So most people who have been our guests always recommend कि उनके कोई friends family आते हैं तो also when you're in the market and you ask people, because I really, as I said, that people are very warm and nice and they have always been very supportive to me. So they will always say कि Himalayan Cafe जाओ, आप market में जाके पूछोगे कहाँ अच्छा मिलेगा, they recommend. So उससे भी हो जाता है. Of course we have our bit of social media also that we do just to get in awareness and keep people updated. And now that we have Geo in Spiti, it will be easier for us to update ourselves through social media. And that's how marketing goes as of now. We don't have a very great marketing strategy, but of course through social media.
Because of this internet constants, you cannot even put yourself on things like Make My Trip, Go IB-Boy and all.
No, nothing. Because we tried to put ourselves on जो अपना है ना, it's quite popular. But what would happen is उससे booking आता था, and because we had BSNL 2G which would hardly work, हमको update ही नहीं आता था, room walk-in में चला जाता था, and then booking आता था, so that became a very big headache. So then we got ourselves off board from there. But this year again we will get on board with the websites.
Okay. So most of the business that you get is purely offline.
It's purely offline, yes.
Brings us to the last question, and that, so it's been 5 years you're running the place, and now in 2020 the COVID happened. Okay, did you need to review your planning strategy after this COVID-19 situation?
See, not really, because this is something I think which has been very, very unexpected. And honestly, if you ask me, Pankaj, they'll say, what will you strategize? आप क्या strategize कर लोगे? See, in March, people were expecting June में चालू हो जाएगा. June, everyone said July में होगा. July से August में होगा. And we still don't know. We don't have a clarity. We say November, December, January. We don't know the way things are shaping up. So what will you strategize?
Right.
So as I said, we work as a team. Whatever bit we can do for our staff, we had staff who were stranded in Goa. We have boys who work only for us. And baki time 3-4 months they do kheti when we are closed. So unko jitna apne end se ho sakta hai, we try to ensure that they don't have survival issues at least. And we are utilizing this time in picking up Seabuckthon and developing products for the sale merchandise, so that next year we can take a leap. कि जो ये एक साल गया है, where we can cover that up from. This year we have a team of 5 locals who are picking Seabuckthon for us, because this is the season. इसके बाद winter starts, Seabuckthon नहीं मिलेगा. So they will pick Seabuckthon, they will sun-dry it. We have an association with some local women's organization as well. So we have a small sale counter at the cafe where we try to promote a lot of local goods, like local apricots.
Wow.
Local apricots that we source from local women. We do not keep a rupee profit in it. So they come, they keep their stuff, they put the price, we sell it for them. और जो बचता है, they come every 10 days. जो बचता है, they take back. जो बिकता है, we give them the money. So we do the same for local apricots and local socks, which are hand knitted. Local women are fantastic with knitting. And the kind of socks that you will get in Spiti, आपको world में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. A lot of foreigners also take. Apart from that, we also want to do some things for Spiti ke street dogs, because winters is really, really harsh for them. And most dogs die during winters because there's no water, there's no food, they are very aggressive and they attack people. So बहुत बुरा हाल होता है. So this year we are also trying to get some local little paintings done, like mandala paintings, bookmarks, keychains, which we want to keep for donations. So you take and you donate whatever you like. No, कुछ ऐसा fixed amount नहीं है. And whatever collection we have, we want to hire 2 local people to give food to dogs out of that money during winters. So they either make roti or some meat, or we send them some dog food from the cities. So we'll pay them salary, whatever minimal salary. and ensure that he goes to some particular areas and feeds the dogs so that they are also able to survive the harsh winter. Another little thing that I want to say, if you allow me,
Yeah,
whenever
please.
you come to the mountains, Spiti Valley is a very remote place. It doesn't have a lot of waste management system. So most of the garbage goes in the river. So I think people who come should be a little more responsible in handling their garbage as such. If you come to Spiti, I can take you to the river and show you one day the condition.
Oh my
There
God.
is no there is no cycling, there is no management.
Oh,
So all the bottles, all the plastic, all the chips ka packets in it, everything is in the river.
so sad. So concluding it,
Yes,
uh,
Pankaj.
Vishakha, this journey has been totally inspiring, very different, unique in its own way. Being a woman without formal hospitality and tourism industry background, you're standing strong at a place where everything tests your patience.
Absolutely.
Your journey will be an inspiration for many. I wish you all the best
Thank you,
and a
Pankaj.
speedy recovery of business, because that's
Thank
what is
you.
needed for you and your
Absolutely.
staff, the
Yes.
people who work over there.
Yes.
And thank you again for accepting the invitation.
Thank you so much. It's a
Giving your
pleasure
time.
being on your channel, and it's a pleasure talking to you. And we'll stay connected. And whenever you guys come to Spiti, do come and meet us. It'll be a lot of fun.
Sure, sure. And one last request, please tell the viewers of the video to subscribe the channel, share the video, and press the bell icon to get notifications.
Absolutely. Please, please, please press the bell icon. Please subscribe to our channel. Pankaj is doing a wonderful work. You
What's the
guys
channel's
get
name?
it's a Monk on the Go.
Thank you.
It will give you a lot of knowledge on your own tourism, on your own travel. So it's very important, guys. Aao dekho apna desh. Subscribe to our channel. Please press the
Thank
bell
you.
icon and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Vishakha.
Thank
It's
you,
been a
Pankaj.
pleasure interacting with you.
Absolute pleasure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
take care. See you soon.
Take care. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.